Good morning, dear student. I am Manoj sir, your mathematics teacher in Shivraj Singh Children Academy. In a previous lecture, we have learned about the geometric mean with the help of the examples. Today, we are going to discuss about relationship between the arithmetic mean and geometric means. Before discussing the relationship between the arithmetic mean and geometric mean, we solve the examples NCERT. Example 17, page number 190. Insert three numbers between 1 and 256 so that the resulting sequence is GP. Solution. That means we can insert three geometric mean between 1 and 256. Let G1, G2, G3 be three numbers between 1 and 256. 1, G1, G2, G3, 256 is a GP. Here, in this GP, we can find the value of G1, G2, G3. Our target is to find the value of G1, G2, G3. Here, first term of the GP is the 1. Let us consider the common ratio. The common ratio of this GP is the R. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 number of terms in this GP is 5. A 5 equal to 256. Here first we find the value of A5 using the formula an equal to ar to the power n minus 1, A5 equal to ar to the power 5 minus 1, A5 equal to ar to the power 4. Ar to the power 4 is equal to 256. Here value of A equal to 1, put the value of A equal to 1. This implies that r to the power 4 equal to 256. This implies that r square to the square, r to the power 4 we can written as the r square to the power 2 is the 256. This implies that r square equal to plus minus 16. And here this implies that r square equal to, let r square equal to 16, then the value of r equal to plus minus 4. Taking only the real part. If we take the r square equal to minus 16, then gives the two imaginary value of the r. If we take the r square equal to minus 16, then r equal to plus minus 4i. We leave this value. Only take the real value r equal to plus minus 4. Let if r equal to 4, then find the value of G1, G2 and G3. Let r equal to 4, then G1 equal to G1 is the second term of this GP, AR. That means value of A equal to 1 and value of R equal to 4. G1 equal to 4. G2 AR square. Value of A equal to 1. Value of R equal to 4. 1 into 4 to the power 2. That means 16. G3 equal to AR cube. 1 into 4 to the power 3. That means this gives the 64. Here three numbers 4, 16 and 64, insert between 1 and 256, which is makes this sequence is the GP. Again, we let R equal to -4, then G1 equal to AR, that means 1 multiply -4 equal to -4, G2 equal to AR square, that means 1 multiply -4 to the square, that means 16, G3 equal to AR cube, 1 -4 to the power 3 equal to -16, 4. Here -4 and -16 not between 1 and 256, then this value is not satisfied this condition. That means here G1, G2, G3 not between the 1 and 256, then this value will be leaves, and your answer is the 4, 16 and 64. Hence 4, 16 and 64, 3 numbers. Hence 3 numbers 4, 16 and 64 between 1 and 256 to makes the resulting sequence is GP. That means your answer 3 numbers 4, 16, 64, 1, 4, 16, 64 and 256 is the GP. That means 3 numbers you can insert 1 and 256, then this resulting sequence is the GP. You can check whether this is a GP or not. This is a GP. This is a common ratio 4, common ratio 4, common ratio 4, common ratio 4. Hence your answer is the 4, 16, 64. Now we find the relationship between AM, that means arithmetic mean, and GM. Let A and G be the arithmetic mean and geometric mean of two positive numbers, two positive real numbers A and B respectively. The arithmetic mean between A and B. What is the formula of the arithmetic mean A and B? Student, arithmetic mean between A and B, A equal to A plus B by 2. Geometric mean square root AB. Now A equal to A plus B by 2, this is denoted by first, and G equal to square root AB, this is denoted by second. From first and second we get thus A minus G, the value of A minus G, A plus B upon 2 minus square root AB. That means A plus B minus 2 square root AB upon 2. That means this is written as square root A minus square root B whole square upon 2. Why? A plus B whole square equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB. Here a plus b, sorry, square a plus b and square of a minus b whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. And here square root a minus square root b to the whole square equal to square root of a. Square of square root a is the a and square of square root b equal to b. Then this written as the square root a whole square plus square root b whole square minus 2 square root a into square root b. Again, and next concept, if a is the greater than 0 and b is the greater than 0, then square root a into square root b equal to square root ab. If a is the less than 0 and b is the less than 0, then square root a into square root b does not equal to square root ab. Here we taken the a and b is the positive real number, then this consideration is also satisfied. Then we can written as a plus b minus 2 square root ab. Here we written this value of this value a plus b minus 2 square root ab is the square root a minus square root b का whole square. Then this is value of this. Here implies that a minus g is always greater than 0 because square of any number greater than 0 and 2 is the always greater than 0. Square of any numbers is a greater than 0, then this a minus g is the greater than 0. This implies that a is the greater than g, which is relation between a and g. That means relation between arithmetic mean and geometric means. That means arithmetic mean is the always greater than equal to geometric mean. This is the greater than 0. Understand? Square of any numbers is the greater than 0. Relationship between the arithmetic mean and geometric mean is the a is the greater than g. That means am arithmetic mean is the greater than equal to geometric mean always. Verification this relation with the help of the examples. First examples, find the arithmetic mean and geometric mean of 2 and 8. Here 2 and 8 is the positive real numbers. We take only the positive real numbers because geometric means of the positive number only we can find, negative number we cannot find. Am is equal to a plus b by 2. This implies that where value of a equal to 2 and value of b equal to 8. 2 plus 8 by 2, that means this gives the value of 10 by 2. This is a 5. And the value of gm equal to square root ab. Arithmetic mean is equal to square root ab. Gm equal to square root 2 multiply 8 square root 16. Gm equal to 4. The value of geometric mean is the 4 and the value of the arithmetic mean is the 5. The value of arithmetic mean is the 5 and geometric mean is the 4. Then 5 is the greater than 4. And next example, we take the next example. Also verify by the formula a is the greater than equal to g. This is a relationship between arithmetic mean and geometric mean. find arithmetic mean and geometric mean of 9 and 4 and 9. Here a equal to 4 and b equal to 9, then am equal to a plus b by 2, that means 4 plus 9 by 2, that means 13 by 2, this equal to this 6.5, am equal to 6.5. Again find the geometric mean of 4 and 9. Square root ab, square root 4 multiply 9, square root 36, a gm is equal to 6, gm equal to 6. Here we compare the am and gm. am is the greater than gm, that means a is the greater than g. Verify the always arithmetic mean and geometric means of the same two numbers. Arithmetic mean is the greater than equal to g. Hence this relation is obtained by arithmetic mean and geometric mean is the am is the greater than a, arithmetic mean is the greater than equal to geometric mean. I hope student understand this concept, and in the next lecture I will be solve the exercise question 9.3. Thank you.